The Traeger TFT18KLD Ranger Grill delivers full-featured wood pellet grilling and smoking performance in a compact tabletop form that is easy to take to campsites, tailgates, or small patios. Its electronically controlled temperature system with a digital arc-style interface holds steady heat for low and slow smoking, grilling, searing, and even basic baking without constant fiddling. The included porcelain-coated cooking grate and separate cast-iron griddle plate make it simple to switch from burgers and steaks to delicate foods or breakfast-style dishes while remaining straightforward to clean. A built-in meat probe lets you track internal food temperature without lifting the lid, which helps maintain stable heat and hit ideal doneness more reliably. The dedicated keep warm function is genuinely useful when guests are running late, holding food at a safe, ready-to-serve temperature without drying it out too quickly. Despite its portable footprint, the Ranger feels solidly built with the familiar Traeger pellet flavor profile, making it a strong choice for anyone who wants real wood-fired results away from a full-sized backyard setup.